Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and in this session I will cover the topic how to find quantity of P.C.C. through AutoCAD and Excel. So in previous video we find out the quantity of excavation. So in this video we will find out the quantity of P.C.C. means plain cement concrete. So the length and the breadth of the P.C.C. will be equal to the length and the breadth of the excavation, because we have to place the concrete on where we did the excavation. So length and the breadth of the P.C.C. will be equal to the excavation, only the thickness of the P.C.C. will be changed here. So let's get started. I will open this Excel file. What I will do here right now is I will just copy this format from here, copy. I will go to another tab and I will paste this data here, okay, and I will modify this sheet. Let's break this one, okay, and what I will do here, wall number 1, okay, these are two walls, length and the breadth of the P.C.C. will be as equal to the length and the breadth of the excavation. Only thing will be changed here, the thickness. So I will write here thickness in meter, okay, I will write it here, okay, thickness, okay, thickness, and I will give the tab name here is P.C.C. P.C.C. okay, and what will be the thickness of P.C.C. I will go directly into the cross section and I will see what is the thickness of P.C.C. So here the thickness of P.C.C. is 150 millimeter. So I will put the value of 150 millimeter, or I will convert it into in meter, sorry. So 150 divided by 1000 is 1.15 meters. So I will put 0.15 meter in the column of thickness. So 0.15 meter thickness is here. So the formula is already here, so it is going to change 0.76 meter cube, and here I will change it to 1.15 and it will also change 0.43, and the total quantity of P.C.C. is 1.19 cubic meter. So at the end of these lectures I will make the material statement where I will find out the whole materials like P.C.C, bricks, okay, concrete, bricks, sand, bajri. So at the end of all of these tutorial I will make the materials statement. So hope you understand this video. I will see you in the next video to find out the brickwork. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.